Contguard provides a comprehensive solution for control and for visibility over goods in transit all over the world. We mainly work in three areas. The first one is security. We prevent thefts of cargo. The second one is quality. We monitor temperature and humidity to ensure the good condition during the transit. The third one is supply chain visibility. What motivated us to use commit services is that Contguard is analyzing tremendous amounts of data. We are utilizing IoT sensors that are all around the world inside containers and inside trailers, and these IoT sensors are working 24/7 to provide data to our systems. The more data we gather, we hit a lot of issues. Many of them were latency issues, lags, and analyzing of data and reliability issues. Since we had to scale up and we are currently using Azure by Microsoft, we were looking for a partner that has extensive knowledge and experience with this platform. Using Commit, we were able to modernize our cloud infrastructure to meet our current needs, enhancing efficiency and reliability of the system. Second thing is that Commit is not only a cloud service provider. They have a lot of experts with different expertise under their roof, and we use them for BI purposes and big data analysis issues that we have. Third thing is security. We started working with big clients all over the world, and security became an imminent issue. And Commit helped us integrate Palo Alto's solution called Prisma Cloud into our system, which enhanced the security tremendously. In the end of the day, Commit enabled us to enhance our security tremendously, to parallel our processes and be much more efficient than we are today, and third, to save costs using their FinOps services. There are many benefits working with Commit. The first one, which is the most crucial one in my opinion, is the people. The people are just so nice and amazing, and their set of expertise is none to any other. They have expertise in every area we need, in BI, AI, cloud infrastructure, analyzing data, etc. And also their availability is amazing. When we need them, they are there. Bottom line, I highly recommend using Commit services as a trusted Microsoft Azure partner.